Do you ever wake up one day and you just don't feel Krishna conscious and you don't know why? There's a reason. There are many reasons. Today we're going to discuss one. And it's about the reality that everything we see, everything we hear, everything we touch, everything we taste, everything we smell is affecting our consciousness. Sometimes it's very subtle. Sometimes we don't realize it. But sometimes we're putting ourselves in situations which are draining our Krishna consciousness because of what we're allowing ourselves, what we're allowing to surround ourselves. So I want to talk about association on this level. So we understand association meaning people. Who are you association? Start over. In our scriptures, we understand association to mean associating with devotees. Associate with more advanced devotees, you'll be benefited. Try to stay away from people who aren't Krishna conscious. Bad association, bad influence. Good association, good influence. We understand that when you're around senior, more advanced devotees, you get inspired. You imbibe their nature, their attitudes, their consciousness, their qualities. It's mystical, it's magical. It's just we're so affected by the people we're with. And it works the other way when we're around people that are not Krishna conscious or devotees that may like to talk about things other than Krishna. Maybe they're a little frivolous, that we don't feel good around them. We feel sometimes drained. What to speak of being around people who have no interest in Krishna consciousness? We feel very drained, very blah. Let's take it to another level, not just people. What about what you're hearing, what's going in your ear? What about what you're reading, taking in to the ears, through the eyes? What about what you're seeing? What about what you're eating? What about even what you're touching? How does that affect you? Well, the message today is everything affects us. Everything we do, everything we see, every environment is affecting us. And sometimes we think, no, I'm not really affected. No, we are affected. We're very affected. We're getting messages all the time when we're looking at our smartphones, our social media devices, because we're getting ads. It's going in. It's going in there. You don't have enough. You need this. The guy next door has it. You'll be cool if you have it. No, I'm a devotee. I don't buy that. Maybe that's what's happening here, but we are getting affected by it. These messages do affect us. We read something. It has an effect on us, good or bad. Be careful what you're allowing yourself to read. Be careful what you're allowing yourself to hear. Be careful about what you're allowing yourself to see, because it all has tremendous effects on us, both up, taking you up, or taking you down. So that's the simple message today. The environment, association, be a little careful, because if you're not careful, then you're practicing sadhana to uplift and purify yourself, and then during the day you're doing things that will bring you down, that will have some negative effect on you. And so it's like the elephant's bath or like the yo-yo. If you can keep yourself surrounded by stimulus that's Krishna conscious as much as possible, then you're going to find that Krishna consciousness is very easy and it's very natural, and you'll feel very inspired to do service. But if you allow yourself to ingest things which are tamasic or rajasic, then it's going to have that effect on you, and you're going to find practicing Krishna consciousness more of a struggle. It won't feel so natural. You'll wake up those mornings and feel like, oh, I don't feel very Krishna conscious today. I don't know why. Think about what you did yesterday. Think about what you digested. And we also digest thoughts. So think about what thoughts you digested. Hare Krishna.